Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have right here is this really fun game, Tiki Toss. To get started, it's really easy. You simply screw in this part to your wall, or as you can see here, we have it attached to our post. The string would go on the ceiling, or again, we have it on our post above, and then that hangs down with your ring, and you simply try to get that ring on the hook. And this is a lot of fun. We have it on our back porch, but I've seen this in a lot of different places like restaurants or bars, and we've always wanted one, so we got it. It's a really fun game to play when you have people over. You can keep score or you can do it just for fun. It's entertaining and it gets everybody laughing and it really breaks the ice. It's a quality product. My son, who is little, has no problem messing around with this, and it hasn't broken or the string hasn't popped or anything like that. It's made of real wood, and it has these metal rings and hooks that are not going to tarnish on you. You can use it outside without a problem. If you're looking for a fun game like we were, then I would highly recommend this. It's just been a lot of fun for our family and friends, and in my opinion, it's a 10 out of 10. But that's just my point of view.